July 23rd, and took a day off, and I come back, and I said, well, what do we have here? And we've got some interesting things going on. As I have been pointing out, there's something really going on over here in the Indian Ocean. To bring that point out, so look what's going on here. Um, and this is at the very upper heights of our atmosphere. Someone had asked me what these um, pressure points are, and these are millibars. So we're looking at different levels of the atmosphere and measuring the millibars of what and wind is nothing more than a river current. Look at the same thing. So if you were trying to measure the feet per second, would be the same thing we're doing here. So, but I wanted to point this out. This whole disruption area right here, and you can see right through here. And look what happens when we go down at the forecasting level. What I'm seeing here, look here, where we've seen this right over China coming from India. Look at this. And let's expand in on this. Look at that. I mean, come on. If that isn't north-south, I don't know what is, because that is clearly coming directly from this jet stream in the north, cascading down, and then coming right into the south. Look at that. Amazing. And here we have watched this for the last week, when this was just beginning faintly to show signs that it was strengthening. And sure enough, that is exactly what it has done as well. You can see it. Look at this. Folks on the east, that dome of heat, it's going to move towards you. And we can see, look at here, look what's developed just in the last day here as well. Look at that. That's taking air. I didn't see that. See if we can zoom in on this. Well, there you go. So what we have going on here is from the upper jet stream going over Canada. And again, is this contributing to the drought up there? I don't know. I would say, though, that I think there is some correlation. But this is what's more amazing to me. Look at this. I mean, you can't deny this. And there it is. I think as we continue to go forward, and if we take the events that are happening just on a solar level, with the disruption to the magnetosphere, are we seeing greater tilts in the axis? How is this impacting the jet stream, particularly at the upper levels? And again, with Dr. Beckwith showing us that these are clearly coming from north to south. It's so well defined. I just don't know how you actually can deny it. And there you go. So I think it's just some things that, again, we just need to be aware of, that these things are happening, and apparently it's going to, I'm just looking here just to see if we could do an overlay. Well, there you go. I bet you if we looked over here to North America, well, you can actually see where the dry air and the moisture is. So, folks, our weather is changing, our planet's changing, and we're going to continue to document this. I think we're onto something here. They can do whatever they like to say, but guess what? As long as they're going to give us the tools, I'll continue to learn more about them. We'll all learn together, and let's see how we can do in our own forecasting models. All right, everyone. Have a good evening.